Assalamu alaikum. I am Mehrunisa. Chapter number 7, Electrochemistry. We are going to study today oxidation reduction reactions and test yourself 7.3. In the previous lectures, we have discussed in detail what is oxidation and what is reduction. We have learned three different types of definitions. We said oxidation means gain of oxygen, addition of oxygen, loss of electrons, loss of hydrogen. And reverse goes for reduction, loss of oxygen, gain of electrons, gain of hydrogen. अब एक केमिकल रिएक्शन में जिसमें ऑक्सीजन या हाइड्रोजन मौजूद नहीं है वहां पर हम रिडक्शन और ऑक्सीडेशन कैसे बताते हैं ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल. जिंक रिएक्ट्स विद HCl and forms zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. हमने जितने भी रूल्स पढ़े थे आज वो सारे रूल्स हम इस इक्वेशन पे अप्लाई करके चेक करेंगे विच वन इज ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एंड विच वन इज रिड्यूसिंग. सो इन वन ऑफ द रूल्स वाज अगर कोई एलिमेंट या अपनी फ्री फॉर्म में प्रेजेंट है, अकेला प्रेजेंट है, इट्स ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट विल बी जीरो. जिंक इज अ सिंगल एलिमेंट, its oxidation state will be zero. Hydrogen is the combination of same elements, the oxidation state of hydrogen will be zero. क्योंकि हाइड्रोजन एक जैसे एलिमेंट्स है, यानी कि अगर यहाँ पर Cl2 होता या N2, S2 जो भी ऐसे हैं जो कि सेम टाइप्स ऑफ एटम्स इसके मिलके बने हैं, इट्स ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट विल बी जीरो. या सिंगल एलिमेंट्स कार्बन, ऑक्सीजन, सोडियम, अकेले सिंगल एलिमेंट्स, its oxidation state will be zero. So now let's move on toward HCl. The oxidation state of hydrogen will be +1 in all its compounds. जितने भी compounds हाइड्रोजन के हैं उसमें हाइड्रोजन की वैलेंसी +1. तो क्लोरीन की कितनी हुई? ऑपोजिट -1. सो अगर क्लोरीन की वैलेंसी -1 है तो सेम विल गो फॉर दिस वन. -1 multiplied by 2 means -2. The valency of zinc will be now +2, the oxidation state. So in this you can see पहले zinc की oxidation state 0 थी. After the reaction the oxidation state changed to +2. प्लस का मतलब लूज किए कितने इलेक्ट्रॉन्स? 2. So loss of electron means oxidation. So zinc is doing oxidation and zinc कौन सा एजेंट है? रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट. Similarly in case of HCl पहले हाइड्रोजन की वैलेंसी +1 थी. आफ्टर द रिएक्शन द वैलेंसी इज ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट इज 0. के रिएक्शन से पहले ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट +1 है. आफ्टर द रिएक्शन द ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट इज 0. इट मीन्स इट हैज गेन इलेक्ट्रॉन. सो that is why its oxidation state changed to 0. So hydrogen or HCl is being doing reduction process. So इस तरह से by their oxidation state we can tell which one is doing oxidation and which one is doing reduction. You can see by applying the oxidation rules we can easily tell which one of these is doing what kind of reaction. Let's take one more example. Hydrogen reacts with oxygen and form water. So all the elements in their free state will have oxidation state 0. हमने कहा जितने भी एलिमेंट्स हैं अकेले होंगे या सेम टाइप ऑफ एलिमेंट्स अगर आपस में होंगे तो उनकी ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट 0 होगी. So in case of H2 oxidation state is 0. In case of O2 oxidation state is 0. But in case of water the oxygen will have oxidation state -2. Hydrogen will have the opposite of -2 will be +2. तो रिएक्शन से पहले ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट ऑफ ऑक्सीजन हाइड्रोजन वाज 0. आफ्टर द रिएक्शन द ऑक्सीडेशन स्टेट इज +2. इट मींस हाइड्रोजन हैज लॉस्ट इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. Loss of electrons, oxidation. Similarly, oxygen, उसकी पहले oxidation state 0 थी. After the reaction, the oxidation state is -2. Minus means extra, more. So it means reduction. And what kind of agent they are acting as? Hydrogen, चूंकि उसकी oxidation हो रही है, it will behave as reducing agent. और oxygen, उसकी reduction हो रही है, oxygen will act as oxidizing agent. So test yourself 7.3. In the following reaction, how can you justify that H2S is oxidized and SO2 is reduced? कहते हैं इस equation में आप explain कीजिए. The equation SO2 reacts with H2S and we get H2O and S, sulfur. So हम इसके ऊपर वही rules apply करते हैं. The free state elements will have oxidation state 0. So in here the oxidation state of sulfur will be 0. Now move toward SO2. Oxygen -2 multiplied by 2 we get -4. So opposite of -4 +4. Similarly H2S, valency of hydrogen is always +1. Multiplied by 2 means +2. Reverse -2. Similarly oxygen -2, hydrogen +2. So अब अगर हम इसमें चेक करें, the valency, the oxidation state of sulfur before the reaction is +4, after the reaction it is 0. In case of hydrogen, before reaction it is +2, after reaction it is same. So it means H2S is being, you can see. So from the above equation we can clearly tell before the reaction in H2S it is -2, after the reaction it is 0. So it means it has been oxidized. इसने अपने electrons को +2 electrons को gain किया. That is why +2 -2 we get 0. In case of SO2, oxidation number of sulfur has changed from +4 to 0. So sulfur dioxide is reduced. So the reaction between MnO2 and HCl is a redox reaction. Equation उन्होंने दी हुई है. कह रहे हैं find out which of the substance is oxidized, which of the substance is doing reduction reaction, and which one of these is oxidizing agent and which one of these is reducing agent. MnO2 and HCl. They react to form manganese chloride and water. So let's use our oxidation state rules. The valency of oxygen is always -2. Multiplied by 2 it comes to be -4. So for manganese, oxidation state goes to +4. HCl, the valency of hydrogen is always +1. So chlorine will have -1. So -1 here, multiplied by 2 -2. Manganese +2. Water -2 for oxygen, +2 for hydrogen. So you can clearly see, पहले मैग्नीज की oxidation state +4 है. After the reaction, the oxidation state is +2. It means it has gained electrons. 2 electron लेने की वजह से its oxidation state has changed to +2. So manganese oxide is doing reduction reaction क्योंकि इसने electrons को gain किया है. और अगर ये reduction reaction कर रहा है तो ये agent कौन सा हुआ? Oxidizing agent. Same HCl +1, after the reaction it is +2. It means it has lost electrons. So HCl is doing oxidation reaction. And what kind of agent it is acting? Reducing agent. So HCl is oxidized. So it is reducing agent. MnO2 is reduced. So it is oxidizing agent. So in the following reactions, they are asking which one of these is oxidizing and which one of these is reducing. So you can see zinc reacts with copper sulfate, valency of zinc is 0, oxidation state in free form. Same for copper 0 and copper sulfate and zinc sulfate. So after reaction you can see zinc is being oxidized because its oxidation state has changed to +2, and copper +2 to 0, it being reduced. So copper and silver nitrate, before reaction it is 0, after reaction +2. Same goes for silver nitrate, before reaction +1, after reaction 0. So copper oxidizing and silver is reducing. H2S and chlorine. So sulfur is oxidizing and chlorine is reducing. Why the following reaction is not a redox reaction? Explain with reasons. कहते हैं एक reaction है लेकिन ये redox reaction नहीं है. Reason क्या है? The reason is chemical equation से आपको पता चलता है before the reaction sodium की valency +1 है, after the reaction the valency is still same. ऑक्सीजन की बात की जाए, before reaction the oxidation state is -2, after the reaction the oxidation state is -2. हाइड्रोजन की बात की जाए, hydrogen +1 means +2, after the reaction it is still +2. For chlorine -1. So in the above example there is no change in oxidation number. ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर में कुछ नहीं हुआ, इक्वल अमाउंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स को ट्रांसफर किया गया है, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट रीजन दिस इज नॉट अ रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन. This is an important short question. You will write this test yourself on your notebook. Alright students, your topic for today ends here.